And welcome to another Moodle tip. This Moodle tip is about making hyperlinks with pictures and helping you to avoid the scroll of death so that people can find things without having to scroll down a page. Okay, so I've shown you how to insert things, pictures and so forth so far. But what we can also do is actually make a link within the picture to something further on down the screen. Let me give you an example. Right, here I'm in my blended distance learning trial page at the moment, and down here I've got a piece of homework. Okay, right down here. Now, one thing I've noticed my students is they tend to have a time trying to find things sometimes. So to make it easier, we can actually do something up the front end here. Now, in this first block we have here is where you want all the things that they're always going to come back to. So one thing obviously they need to do might be homework. So we're going to add something in here first of all. We're going to add a picture. And here's a convenient picture I found. Now I'm just taking this one off the web, so I'm just going to highlight and copy that. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to add a label. So if you haven't seen how to insert labels, just look at the previous video I made for this. We put the label in, okay, and then what we do is we go to insert picture. Once we've done that, we go to the URL there. Of course, you could also have your own picture and just use that if you wanted to, in which case you go to find or upload an image, find the image on your drive and insert it in there. Okay, so we put that there. You want to just check the appearance. I'm going to make the appearance a bit smaller, so we'll go to 250, so that's a fairly good size for it. And okay on that. And there it is. There's homework. Let's just move that to the middle. Right, now that will show there. Okay, there's our first bit. So we've made that there, and you'll see it's called homework. So what we want to do is actually activate it to the piece of homework. And if we go down to the homework again, zoom all the way down here. Let me just open this up and show you what comes up in the address list. Now, do you see this here, up here, the address? That is unique to this given page. So what we can actually do is create a hyperlink to it. We highlight, we copy, and we go back to our picture here, and let's just click on edit on the picture. It comes up. Right, just click on that. Now, if you see the little chain here, it says insert or edit link. Now if I click on that one, I get URL and I paste that code in there. I insert, and that's it. Now, watch what happens. Let's turn the editing off for now. Watch what happens when my computer decides to wake up. When we go on there. No, didn't do it. Hold on. Try again. There we go. Right. Okay, so now you'll notice that if I click on this, it will take me directly there. There we go. Straight to the homework. So we can have a homework button at the top of the page, links right into the where we want to go directly, and you can always update that. So any new homework can be placed with a link straight onto that. Okay, so you can do that for links within the college, within the Moodle course, of course, or you can have external links. So if I give an example out here, see a few other examples. In this one, I've made links. In this case, I've used a table, and I've made links to notes I've made in class. There we go, to classes I've done beforehand, so students can catch up with things they've done there. If I go to, let's try another one with my entry 3s, I think. And if we go here, we'll see there's a link to other courses, by the way. These ones here also work as links to other ones here. I have a picture link to forums, which makes life easier for the students entering the forum there. Or you can link to other areas. So if I come down here, I have a link to a quiz there. Further down here, and this one here, which is a link to an external website, which is Tricider, which I then have embedded into the course. So there's a few ways. We take the picture, we insert a link into the picture, and it makes it easier to navigate way around. And it's also particularly useful for people who have got tablet computers or smartphones, so they can access the content more easily. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.